Hello everyone, welcome to a new video of tutorials. Today's topic of discussion is complex sentence. What is complex sentence? The sentence which has one main clause and one or more than one subordinate clauses is called a complex sentence. Now clause means a portion of sentence. So let's see the examples. Number 1. When you have finished your work, you may go home. So here, you may go home is the main clause. And when you have finished your work is the subordinate clause. As I said, clause means portion. So you may go home. This portion is called main clause. And when you have finished your work, that portion is called subordinate clause, and the entire sentence is called complex sentence. Number 2. They can stay where they are. They can stay, this portion main clause, where they are, this portion subordinate clause. Number 3. Give me some food which I may eat. So here, give me some food is the main clause, which I may eat is the subordinate clause. Now, there are three types of clauses. Number 1, noun clause. Number 1, noun clause. Number 2, adjective clause. And number 3, adverb clause. Now, in the coming videos, I will elaborately explain noun clause, adjective clause and adverb clause. So to get those videos, please like this channel, subscribe it and follow it. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.